usapan. Kami mo muna kay Randy.
May medal ba? Lahat? Pwede ko na kunin. Alis na ako.
Ay! Ano mo ito yung gilas?
Okay.
Calling Assistant Commissioner Guspe. Saan si Assistant Commissioner? Asan si Kevin? Rona, saan si Kevin? Kevin. Alright, so we will, while waiting for the Mount Everest, kung darating sila, i-award na natin yung second place. So, congratulations to Gilas Legends, represented by Mr. Alvin. Okay, so congratulations, second place. That's your medal. Okay lang. So that's your medal. And we have the second place trophy. And we have the certificate. Okay, this certificate is presented to Mr. Derek Vivares, team captain for Gilas Legends. So on behalf, kukunin ni Alvin. Thank you. Ito yung lalagyan. Alright, we will now award. Okay, if I call your name, please come forward. Mr. John Dexter Paraino. Mr. John Dexter Paraino, in recognition of your professionalism and dedication, you have this certificate here. Signed by yours truly and Mr. Bruce. Next one is Mr. Wally Nagong. Mr. Wally Nagong, certificate of recognition. So, sa gitna, sa gitna. For your dedication to the game. And next one, Mr. Arnold Gabriel. Sir Arnold Gabriel, MVP. In recognition of your professionalism and dedication as team captain for VMS Detailing. Alright, next one is Mr. Ike. Mr. Ike Makuto. In recognition of your professionalism and dedication as team member for VMS. And also, meron pa siyang award. And also, may isa ka pang award. Ay, patulungan. Pag sinabi ko, pag-ikuha na lang award. And this one is the for being a member. Ano nangyari, nagkaroon tayo, we asked the team captains to nominate yung best players nila. So, 10 yung ganun tayong mythical 5. Hello. So, Mr. Makuto is part of the second team.
Great.
Alright, next. Mr. Jesse Bong Lastimoso. Mr. Bong Lastimoso, yeah. Second.
Postman lang kayo ito.
Alright. Certificate, and we have the award for the second WSBL team.
Third placer yan eh.
Alright. And we have Mr. Rico Padayaw.
Medal.
Mr. Rico Padayaw. Congratulations. Pero dito muna yung team captain. At saka yung fourth place. Yung fourth place, sa'yo na lahat yan. Okay. And mythical 5 po. Yung second team mo. Second team. Second team.
Champion.
Come here. Ito yung anak.
And Mr. Francis Andrew. Mr. Francis Andrew, for your dedication. Meron kang certificate of recognition.
yan?
Bigyan mo lang kayo na. Kay Van Allen, kasama rin siya sa second team. Jong Guse, kasama rin sa second team. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Mythical 5. Mythical 5, we have Gerald Biao. Gerald Biao. Gerald. Sa trophy, Mythical 5, yung, yan. Mythical 5. Gerald Biao.
Physical fight.
Okay.